Northern California hunkering down to weather a strong winter storm.
Yeah, high winds and downpours will start late tonight. We're going to get snow early tomorrow, and these conditions will last through Thursday. A lot going on. Thanks for being with us at 5 here on My 58. I'm Gulston Dart.
And I'm Andrea Flores. We're tracking the conditions and the potential problems they could bring. We start with KCRA 3's Jason Marks, who spoke with SMUD about the work being done to prevent power outages. So, Jason, crews say they're ready if needed, right?
Yeah, Andrea, they're ready. Today was a day full of last-minute preparations before that storm comes, and now it's just a wait-and-see thing to see what Mother Nature will bring. Along the busy stretch of Richard Boulevard in Sacramento,
we need to get 3 feet clearance from the secondaries. They're lower voltage.
SMUD tree crews are hard at work.
The trimmer, make sure he doesn't get too close to the wire.
Final preparations underway as a holiday storm is expected to blow into the area faster than Santa himself.
We're hoping for the best, but again, you never know, especially as these winds come in.
SMUD crews work year-round cutting back limbs from lines for this very reason.
So that when we do have a storm that might be coming in like the next couple of days, there's a less chance for some possibility for a storm-related outage.
The recent rain combined with the expected winds make trees extra vulnerable.
As the ground gets saturated, right, it's going to be a little bit more wet and a little bit more movable for the roots and the trunk. So when those winds come in, we're concerned that branches and other tree debris is going to fly in to infrastructure.
For now, tree crews will give way to line crews. Dozens and dozens of members on standby should things go dark.
So SMUD is prepared to respond to any storm-related outages. We also have the capacity to increase our crews in case that we need them.
And while most people are decking the halls, SMUD says it's all hands on deck.
There are outages, then we start deploying folks and getting ready. We'll be staging folks, and as needed, we're going to boost the resources and the staff in order to respond. SMUD serves a lot of customers, and we want to make sure that we're responding safely and quickly.
And hopefully there are no outages, but if there are, SMUD is urging customers to either go online to report those outages or use the number to call. We have that number for you on our website. They also ask that you just remember to use patience. We're live in Sacramento. Jason Marks, KCRA 3 News.
Yeah, well, fingers crossed it doesn't come to that. All right, Jason, thank you so much.